भाई आउटफिट कवर कर रहे हैं आपका भी यही कर लें भाई खामोश आ गया Can you break down the outfit for us?
Sure. T-shirt is polo,
Okay.
jacket H&M, jeans are thrifted, shoes Nike,
Shades, glasses,
shades Cartier,
Cartier. And what's the perfume of the day?
Omni leather, Tom Ford.
Tom Ford. Okay. What about you? Fit.
So hoodie from Off-White
Okay.
and sneakers are reverse smokers. And what else? Yeah, reverse smokers. And what else?
Trousers.
Trousers? They're from Power Look.
Glasses.
And the glasses are from, I don't know, it's just basic.
They look Cartier, no?
They look, but they're not. I'm gonna be honest with it, but no, it's not.
They look Cartier.
Yeah, but they're
And
not.
what's the perfume for the evening?
So I used Stronger With You Intensely by Armani.
Nice.
Yeah, that's a good one.
What you're wearing?
This is
The jacket. Let's start with
this is
that.
Savannah. This is also Savannah. This is also Savannah. This is Chanel. And my perfume is Dior Sauvage.
You're wearing a men's fragrance.
No, that Dior Sauvage is a men's and a women's fragrance.
Hi, I'm wearing Happy Ending. I'm sponsored by Happy Ending.
Okay.
Yes, and I'm wearing some pants from Forever 21.
Okay.
Yes, and some Nikes, you know,
Air Force One.
Air Force.
What's your fragrance for the day?
Dior Sauvage.
Okay. Thanks, man. What about you? Can you be honest with us?
Alrighty, so I am wearing Art Front. There you go. Love to show you. So my jeans are H&M, and I guess I don't even remember where I got. No, they're not Uggs. They're just some local brand.
And what about the bag?
Oh, the bag is H&M too.
H&M too.
Yes, the bag is H&M.
Are you wearing any jewelry?
No, I'm not wearing jewelry. I'm just wearing these locally bought earrings.
Nothing on the wrist, nothing. What about the fragrance of the day? What perfume are you wearing?
Okay, so I wore Bath and Body Works today, and I guess it was You're the One.
Joy.
You're the One by Bath and Body Works.
Your fit for us.
Okay.
Okay.
It's all blah 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 clothing.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
So start from the top.
So I'm wearing a hoodie, which is by my own brand, blah 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 clothing. Then these 20 pocket pants. This is again from my own brand, blah 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 clothing. And then Nike Dunks.
Panda.
Yes, pandas. That's it.
Would you say these are the basic bitch shoes?
These shoes, yeah.
Can you break down your outfit for us, head to toe? Your outfit.
So I'm wearing Time Option,
Okay.
yeah,
And what-
Zara and H&M.
What about the jewelry? Wearing any watch or gold?
No, just my engagement ring.
Congrats, congrats. What about you? What are you?
I'm wearing, this is Time Option, which is customized for Find Your Kicks.
Okay.
Okay, so Find Your Kicks.
Ripping the brand. Yeah.
The bag is Versace jeans, couture, whatever.
Yeah.
And these pants are for H&M and sneakers again from Find Your Kicks India.
Okay. What about the jewelry?
Jewelry, this is like I have customized this storyboard earrings
Okay.
with gold. Like
Okay.
this is personally customized and all these rings are diamond gold.
And what perfume are you wearing?
I'm wearing Dior Poison.
Dior Poison. And what
Yeah.
about you? What perfume are you wearing?
YSL.
YSL. What about you? What's your fit?
I am wearing the shirt. This is from Primark.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. And my sneakers are from Nike.
Okay.
And the bag is from Zara.
Okay. And the top, the
And
skirt.
the top, these are from normal brands.
Okay.
Yes.
And what perfume are you wearing?
Bath and Body Works.
Bath and Body.
Yes.
What about the earrings? You
Uh,
mentioned. Custom.
no. These are from Aldo.
These are from?
Aldo.
about you?
So I'm wearing this jacket from Time Option.
Okay.
And then my bag is from Tory.
Okay.
And my Jordans are from Find My Kicks.
Yeah.
And
All the Find Your Kicks. Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
So
And what's your perfume?
Versace Crystal.
Sajid Crystal.
Pink one.
Okay.
Earrings are from Jaipur Diamonds.
What about you break down your outfit?
My outfit, this is from Time Option.
Okay.
And then these are from Zara and these are from Find Your Kicks India.
Lost and found.
Lost and Found.
Yeah. What about the perfume?
I use Jimmy Choo Man.
Jimmy Choo Man.
Yeah.
Okay. What about the earrings?
My earrings are from Anash.
Okay. Put on your fit for us.
Okay, the jacket is Zara
Zara. Okay.
and this is thrifted.
The jersey.
Yes, inspired from ASAP Rocky.
Okay.
Yes.
ASAP Rocky.
The pants are from a homegrown band called Zerva.
They are custom. They look custom.
Custom, yes, they're
Yeah,
custom job, but they only cost 2,000. A good, that's a good price
A
for
nice deal. A nice,
a nice
deal.
deal.
Yeah. What about the sneakers?
The shoes are Neighborhood from Adidas.
Which one?
Neighborhood from Adidas.
What perfume are you wearing?
YSLY.
Okay. Nice fragrance. Okay.
Nice,
And
man.
what about the jewelry, man?
The jewelry, this is from Delhi, 50 rupees each.
50 rupees.
Yes, this is
100?
from Spoiled Ducky.
Okay.
Really good brand. This is from the Punk Store, custom job, once again. Shot in the camera.
Zoom on it.
Really dope, man.
You wearing? What's your outfit?
Yeah, okay. Okay, I'll break it down for you. My sweatshirt is Jordan and my cargos are from my brand Blase Society.
Okay, the same
And
brand?
yep, it's our own brand. I'm wearing Zebra 350s, which are like my favorite Yeezys.
Okay.
And I have on a couple of chunky accessories. This chrome hearts ring, which is vintage, so it's kind of faded off, and some random stuff.
We have the same bracelet.
Yeah, I have this Cartier bracelet, and I have this little silver bracelet, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And I bought this random little necklace from an Instagram store because I do like supporting small businesses. Yeah, that's
And
it.
what's the fragrance of the day? What perfume are you wearing?
I think Versace Black Diamond is what I put on today.
Black Diamond.
Yeah. Black Diamond.
Are you supporting Kanye or not?
Supporting?
Kanye West.
No, ये मैंने पहले से ले रखे थे.
Okay. Before the whole scene.
Breathing out.
They all had an engagement ring. You don't have one.
I'm single.
God bless. God bless.
Ready to mingle. Happily single. Happily single. Happily single.
You're happily single, no? Does she cry?
No, she's ready to mingle.
She's ready to make.
Yeah.
You want the comments to hit you up.
No, no, not at all. Not at all. I'm very happy being single. I'm enjoying my life. I don't want shit. No.
We will make sure that happens.